Hello everyone, my name is Sriram and I am studying in 7th grade at Pune Primary School. Today I made a model of Tensegrity or tensional integrity. So this particular model is called the icosahedron, which has 20 faces like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and all. And then in Tensegrity there are many things which we use for Tensegrity, like architecture and biotensegrity, and for medicinal purposes, like for maybe like knee replacements, we use tensegrity to make the structure light. And then now so tensegrity is basically used to make structures light and then also cost efficient, and then looks more cool to see. So now I'm going to do the variation of the this one. So I'm going to place markers on them on this to test how much it holds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, just one. So 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this withstanded all 8 of them. And then so we're gonna see if we take off the weight and then if it comes to back to its normal position. Yeah, well, it's a little bit deformed, but it's okay. So now I'm gonna show you another one. So this is the tighter one with bigger and better rubber band, and this is the thinner one. As you can see the difference. Both are the same models, but I just changed the rubber type. So now we're going to see how much it holds. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, it fell off. So now I'm going to try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, just got it 8, but it fell off.